This is your Sportsman A main. Everybody's going live in less than 5. Here we go. That's as good as she gets right now. And we're off and running. Oh, some guys are giving the marshals a little bit of work out at the north end of the track. Plenty of time, guys. This is a 6-minute race. And looks like we're trying to do some good sportsmanship stuff. Appreciate it. Here, let's put them in front of the landing instead over here on this side. Caution on the back straight. And it's clear. All right, it's Smothers showing the way. Soderlin by 7.5 seconds. Reggie back 3 seconds third. Sean Melville 7/10 behind him. Battle for that third spot. Going over that north end single right now. Caution in the sweeper. And we're clear. Just about 2 minutes into this one, racers. Oh, Soderlin going over the top. And I think that was Terry doing the Mick twist off the back wall on the back straightaway. Somehow landed it. Jason, new fast lap 18.4. Reggie with a 17.8. Soderlin 18.5. Melville 19.7. Dolan on a 20.1. And your fast lap of the race, Anthony Smothers with a 17.1 in that four-wheel drive. Little Steve Miller band I'm hearing on the radio. Oh, we got one behind the roller. Terry, new fast lap 19.6. Well, they're showing the way on a 20-lap run here, 6.09. Soderlin, new fast lap 18.2 in that blue short course. Goes off the back of the D-jump. Just about 4 down, 2 to go. Reggie, new fast lap, 17.7. Soderlin with an 18.2. Anthony might be stretching out his lead here a little bit. Up to 6. Now Reggie up to second. Soderlin right behind him, though. What I thought was going to happen somewhere along the lines here in tonight's racing. Oh, CJ up on 2 wheels in that short course. He's got a little handful. Terry back 12 seconds. Jason trying to run him down. Here comes Jason. Back 5.8 at the line. Oh, Soderlin on the wall there. Closest battles between, let's see, Soderlin and Reggie for that second spot. Like Terry got in the pipe there after the roller. 45 seconds to go. And I think that might be Sean upside down. "30 seconds. Looking for our closest battle right now. Reggie back 10 seconds behind our leader. CJ back another 4.2 in that third spot. Jason back 6.5 in fifth, and Terry just under 3 seconds behind him in sixth. So a little battle shaping up there with 10 seconds to go. Like there's gonna be a couple guys last lap here. CJ gonna get that extra lap. Anthony. Jason, you are done, sir. Missed that extra lap. That is time. You cross line, you will be done. Looking for a couple more here. And shut it down. Anthony Smothers taking that one 20 and 6:15. Reggie PJ 19 and 6:04. CJ Soderlin 19 and 6:13. That's your podium. Melville with 18. Ralph with 17. And Dolan with 17.